how to cancel a flight on Singapore Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can cancel a flight on Singapore Airlines, and here is how to go about it. Now, the first step is to sign in into your Singapore Airlines account. So once you're signed in and you're on the home page, you can see different options. You can see book flight, manage booking, check in flight status, flight schedule, etc. Now, as you can see all of this, the next step is to move to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon. Then you click on it. After clicking on it, in the box displayed, you can see some options such as account summary, book flight, miles, bookings, check-ins, favorite, profile, messages. Just go ahead and click on bookings so as to go to your page where you can see all of your bookings. And on the bookings page, you can see 3 tabs as well, such as upcoming flights, flight history, tickets, and receipts. Now, you can only cancel upcoming flights, right? So the next thing for you to do on this page is to locate the flight that you would like to cancel. So after selecting the flight, you'll be taken to the flight where you see details about the flight. So on the details page, look for the option which says cancel flight. Click on it, and a dialog will prompt you to confirm the cancellation. Click yes to proceed, and then follow the instructions. From there, you would know how to cancel your flight. But here is how you can cancel your flight on Singapore Airlines. Thank you for watching and have a good day.